السلام عليكم. أنا دكتور محمود ناظر، مدرس مساعد طب الأطفال جامعة اسكندرية، وحدة أمراض القلب بمستشفى الأطفال الجامعي. النهاردة إن شاء الله we are going to demonstrate palpation and auscultation of the heart. السلام عليكم. ازيك يا أم حسن، عاملة إيه؟
ازي حضرتك؟
بعد إذنك هنكشف على الأستاذ على قلبه ونصوره علشان نبقى نعرضها للطلبة بعد إذنك. اتفضل يا أم حسن عودي. ازيك يا حسن، عامل إيه؟ سلم عليا يلا. انت في سنة كام يا أستاذ؟
رابعة.
انت لسه قايل لي من شوية إن أنت في سنة تالتة يا عم، بتضحك عليا؟ يا راجل. Ideal exposure for examination of the heart, that the upper trunk should be totally exposed. Now we are going to start with palpation of the heart. First we will localize the heart. Is it left or right? This heart is left. Then we are going to localize the apex. First by the palm of our hands, then by the tips of our fingers. This is a well localized apex with a positive thrust. Found at the fifth intercostal space at the midclavicular line, and this is a normal apex. We also search for thrills. Then we go into the retroparasternal area, searching for thrills and pulsations. And we go also to the pulmonary area, searching for thrills and pulsations, and to the aortic area, searching for thrills and pulsations. في حاجة في بطنك بتوجعك؟ Then we go into the epigastric area, searching for epigastric pulsations. Now we are going to start auscultation of the heart. Auscultation should be done by the diaphragm of the stethoscope and the bell of the stethoscope. The diaphragm is for high pitched sounds and the bell is for low pitched sounds. After localizing the apex by our tip of fingers, we auscultate the apical area. If we found a murmur on the apical area, we will search for H propagation. Either to axilla or to the left parasternal area. If it is hard to auscultate the apex, ask the child to go into the left side. Then we auscultate the left parasternal area. Then we auscultate the pulmonary area. In all the areas, we auscultate the heart sound, the added sounds, and the murmur. Now we are auscultating the aortic area. If we found a murmur in the pulmonary area, we go to the left infraclavicular area, searching for the murmur of the PDA. If we found a murmur, we have to time this murmur. Is it systolic or diastolic? Systolic murmurs comes with the carotid pulse. Diastolic murmurs after the carotid pulse. Then we palpate the four areas using the bell or the stethoscope, searching for low pitch sounds as F3 and S4. at the apical area pulmonary area and aortic area. Then we ask the child to sit down, searching for any murmur in the interscapular area. Then our comment on this session, including palpation and auscultation of the heart. The apex is located at the left fifth intercostal space at the midclavicular line with positive thrust. No palpable thrills, no palpable heart sounds. By auscultation, heart sounds are of normal intensity all over the cardiac areas. S1 is maximally heard over the apical area, and S2 is maximally heard over the base of the heart. There is no added heart sounds. There is no audible murmurs.